Good morning, children. So yesterday we have seen better the multiplication and the division of indices with the same basis. Now let's see the more. See, children. So we have learned two formula or laws. So what is the first law we have done? A raised to power m into a raised to power m equals to a raised to power m plus n. Okay, so means what? The multiplication with the same base. So if the bases are same and the powers are different, so that time you have to add their powers. And also we have learned the second formula, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power m. So here bases are same, powers are different, and they have to divide. So that time we have to subtract their powers. So it is a raised to power m minus n. Okay, now see one more law of this exponents. If a raised to power 0. So what is the meaning of this? A raised to power 0 means 1. So it is the third law. A raised to power 0 means answer 1. Okay. For example, see beta. Three raised to power 0. So the solution is 3 raised to power 0 means answer is 1. Okay. 5 raised to power 2 divided by 5 raised to power 2. So what is the meaning of this? Bases are same and they have to divide. That time what to do? We have to subtract their powers. So here 5 raised to power 2 minus 2. So 5 raised to power 2 minus 2 means 0. And the any number having exponent 0 means the answer is 1. Got it beta? Okay. Now see. So here we have seen the powers are positive. Okay, 0 is neither positive nor negative. But see, in these two laws, we have seen the powers are positive. But if powers are negative, then what to do? For example, a raised to power minus n. So you have to remember that beta power should not be negative. So to make this positive, we will divide it by 1. So it becomes positive. Got it beta? So what is the next law? A raised to power minus m equals to a raised 1 upon a raised to power n. Okay. So it is how it becomes a raised to power n. So for that, see, a raised to power n equals to a raised to power minus n into 1. Can you write like this? So here it is the derivation of this. Okay. Then can I write 1 as a raised to power m into a raised to power m? Instead of this, can I write a raised to power m upon a raised to power m? Yes. So what is the meaning of this? It is a multiplication. So a raised to power m into a raised to power m upon a raised to power m. So see children, here is the multiplication. See the law number 1. Bases are same, powers are different, and multiplication. So you have to add the powers. So it is what beta? A raised to power minus m plus n and divided by a raised to power n. minus n plus n 0. So a raised to power 0 upon a raised to power n, and just now we have c, a raised to power 0 means 1. So it is 1 upon a raised to power n. Got it, better? Okay. So this law is, if power is negative, then it is divided by, to make this power positive, you have to divide. Okay. Or sometimes the question will be like this. If the question is 1 upon a raised to power n, so to make this a raised to power minus n, again you have to divide this division of the division. So you remember that when this power is in the numerator, or any power when come in the numerator or denominator, they exchange their sign, or the sign is changed. So see, it is in the denominator. So if you write this in the numerator, it will be a raised to power n. Got it, children? See, so it is in the numerator, when it comes in the denominator, it becomes positive. So here it is in the denominator, when it comes into numerator, it becomes positive. Got it, children? See one example. Five raised to the power minus 3. So here we can write 5 raised to the power. And what is the cube of this 5? Means you have to multiply this 5 3 times. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 120. So it is 1 upon 120. Got it, children? Okay, if the question is like this, 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. Yes. So it is what? Power is minus. To make this power 1, you have to divide it by 1. See, what is the meaning of this? This power is for minus 1, and also it is for minus. Yes, the meaning is the. Now you have to divide all this fraction to 1 upon 5 upon 3. See, when it comes in the denominator, the power becomes positive. But here, what is the meaning of this? Here, the division of the division. So it is what? 3 upon 5. So here we will take the reciprocal of this. 5 upon 3 becomes 3 upon 5, and the power is positive. Got it, children? So see the next question, children. Yes. So you can directly write 4 upon 7 and the power is negative. So to make it positive, you have to divide this by 1. So instead of doing this all, you can skip 2 steps. So you can write just take the reciprocal of this 4 upon 7, it will 7 upon 4, and the power is positive. What is the 7 cube? 7 into 7 into 7 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. So you can directly make this power positive just by taking the reciprocal of this fraction or rational number. So first take the reciprocal of this rational number and the power becomes positive. Got it, beta? So let's see one more example. Question is 3 upon 5 raised to power 2 is square. 3 upon 5 square or divided by 3 upon 5 raised to the power 5. Or you can say the fifth power of 3 upon 5. It is the square of 3 upon 5. See children, here what is the operation is given? Division is given. That means what? And see, bases are same. What is the base here? 3 upon 5 is the base. And here is also 3 upon 5 is the base. Powers is here 2 and it is here 5. And division is given. So what to do when division is given? So when bases are same, you have to subtract their powers. So let's do. Okay. So we will write the base only once and we'll subtract their bases. Means 2 minus 5. Yes, write 3 upon 5. Okay. What is the answer of 2 minus 5? Means you have to subtract the greater number from the smaller. We have already learned it in the integers, subtraction of integers. 2 minus 5. One is positive, another is negative. So always you have to do the subtraction. Okay, so 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, yes. But the greater number is negative. So the answer is minus 3. Means here the power is minus 2. Okay. Now what to do? To make this power positive, you have to take the reciprocal of this rational number. So 3 upon 5 becomes 5 upon 3. And this to the power. Now it becomes positive. 3 upon 5 becomes 5 upon 3 and power. Okay. This power cube. Actually raised to the power 3 is known as cube. So this cube is for 5 and it is for 3 also, because the cube is given for the bracket. So it will distribute for 5 and 3. Means it is 5 cube and 3 cube. So what is 5 cube? Means you have to multiply the 5 3 times. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25 and 25 fives are 125. 3. This cube is also for 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. Got it, beta? Okay. So today we have learned 2 new laws of exponents or indices. So what is this? A raised to power 0 is always 1 and a raised to power minus n means if power is negative, so you can make them positive. Got it, beta? Okay, let's see. So these questions are from your book. A raised to the power 6 divided by a raised to the power 4. So what is the answer of this? Division is given and bases are same. So very first, whenever you do the questions on the exponents or the indices, very first you have to check their bases. Yes, bases are same. Division is given. That is what you have to apply the second law. Yes, you have to subtract the powers. Answer is 2. Second, m raised to the power 5 divided by m raised to the power 8. Again, see children, check the bases. Yes, they are same. Division is there. That means what? You have to subtract the powers. So it is right base only once and 5 minus 8. 5 is positive, 8 is negative, one positive, another negative, so always do the subtraction. 8 minus 5, 3. 8 is the greater number and it has negative sign, so this 3 is minus 3. Now see the law number 4. So it is 1 upon m raised to the power 3 or m cube. Power 3 is also known as m cube. Got it, beta? See the third one. P raised to the power 3 divided by p raised to the power 30. Again, check the bases. Yes, they are same. So write only once. Division is there. Subtract the powers. So here you have to subtract the greater number from the smaller. So your answer is negative. Got it, beta? Now see the last one. X raised to the power 10 divided by x raised to the power 10. Again, check the bases. Yes, x bases are same. So write only once. Division. So subtract the powers. Means here 10 minus 10. So x raised to the power 0. See the law number 3. If any number having power 0, the value is 1. Got it, beta? So in this way, you will be able to solve the indices. So for that, you must follow these laws. Okay, if you follow this law, you will be able to solve any question on indices. Got it, children? So we will stop over here, beta. Bye bye.